Hey, welcome to Gingerman with NASA Great Lakes. What you will not notice in the frame is the Racewagen. We had an axle seal issue the night we were supposed to leave, and we didn't have time to fix it, but we wanted to come up to Gingerman with NASA Great Lakes and see what everyone else's track weekend is like. So we'll interview all the heroes we can find here. You'll get an idea for what a weekend looks like, from everything from HPDE to time trials and then even the race group. So it'll be exciting. We still have a lot to cover and show you all the fun that you can have in a weekend with NASA.
My name's Scott Kemp. I'm in HPDE 3, and I've been with NASA about a year.
Hi, I'm Nick Simon, racing NASA Super Touring 4.
Hi, I'm Brooke Martin. I'm in HPDE 1.
My name's Nick Frame, HPDE 1.
Hey, I'm Steve Pruden. I race in Spec E46 here with NASA Great Lakes.
This car was just, being a garage queen for a while, and so let's see what I can do. So decided to get out, went through a bunch of groups, found NASA, been with NASA ever since. Really like how their organization honestly teaches you through the process.
Started autocrossing way back when actually this car was new. From there, started track days, went through the HPDE ranks, time trials, and here we are. Been running road racing here for many seasons.
The track here at Gingerman's fun. We just went out for our first session, and the instructors and all the staff are really great.
Something I've always known about, but finally just did. It's been excellent. Better than expected. I mean, they're excellent teachers, which is obviously apparent after one instruction. It's really good. We've only had one class so far, but they're really starting at the basics and going to progress forward after that. You guys really genuine and enthusiastic.
Got involved with NASA just looking to do more wheel-to-wheel sprint racing and found a great group here in the central part of the country to do it with. The experience with NASA has been great people. It's a great family atmosphere, super competitive racing too, and you get to go to a lot of different tracks. It's always a blast.
So I went through 2 last year, graduated at the end of the year, and then now I'm third time with HPDE 3 this. I really like the drills that we do. We tend to push the limits of what we're comfortable with in the drills, and by doing that, I'm actually quite comfortable on the track around other cars, which it really wasn't about a year ago. So it's, to me, the best way to learn.
I mean, there's a community. It sounds cliche, but yeah, there's a great community of friends. Track time's awesome, and they really focus on like safety and learning, which I appreciate.
I think just getting to drive your car on a track and learning, through their instruction what it can and can't do, and looking to get better. And so it's just a lot of fun to drive your own car and do that. My instructor's Kevin. He's been really great, very great direction, both visually and verbally on the track, and has made me very comfortable, able to ask a lot of questions and get great answers.
This is a Spec E46 built for a spec class where the cars are all the same, so it's really up to the drivers to figure out how they're going to battle it out, who's going to win.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Racewagen and seeing some other people's cars and some other people's mods and hearing about some other people's stories. The whole point of this series is to show you how easy it is to get on track with NASA Great Lakes.
Don't let some of the big builds scare you though. If you have just a good set of brakes, tires, come out. Even if you don't get on track the first time, just come see what it's about. NASA Great Lakes does a great job of teaching you how to set up your car and get on track and get faster. So if you've even been to autocross or you've done some other like lapping sort of organizations, come out and I'm sure you'll get faster. They do a great job of teaching you how to get on track. If you want to volunteer, that's a great way to be able to afford track days. I know they do get expensive, so you can earn some free hours by volunteering, whether you're at pit lane or just in the paddock. There's plenty of opportunities to volunteer and just get involved.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Our favorite comment is going to receive a Liquimoly service kit and a Hengst cabin air filter for your Euro vehicle.